Plan a day's meals on a limited budget. Make a shopping list before going to the store. Look for groceries that have affordable prices. Take advantage of promotions and discounts. Check the promotional or discount catalogs at the supermarket to find products that are currently being offered at lower prices. Shop at traditional markets. Apart from going to supermarkets, consider shopping at traditional markets. There, you can get fresh produce at a more affordable price than at soup. Cook your own food. Avoid buying expensive ready-to-eat or fast food meals. Experiment with simple recipes that use affordable ingredients. Try exploring vegetarian or vegan dishes for cheaper variations that are still high in protein.